everyone. This is the Rubik's Cube that I just did a few minutes ago. So I'm going to scramble it again and solve it in front of you guys. Just cutting up. बिगानु पर्यो नि हैन पहिला बनाउन अगाडि सो ल बिगारे है so let's do it. White cross is done. My daughter is talking to a friend downstairs. My neighbor. He wants her to come down to play. God, dare do. What? Why is he taking my name? Okay, so white is done and the first line is done. Let's do the second line. Okay, the second line is done. Done with the white intact. Let's do the yellow cross first. Check on me. Okay, these two are done. This two needs to switch, so आज चाहिँ मेरो व्रत हो एकादशीको so just passing my time here, just doing this. Don't want to waste too much energy. Okay, think the corners are done. Okay, they're in the right place. So now let's do the yellow. Okay. And okay. Okie dokie. Okay, so let's put the corners in their places, and the yellow is done, the white is done. Now we just need to do the last line. Okay. Okay, so now red is done, white is done. Yellow is done, so we just need to do the 3 sides. So keeping the red towards me, facing towards me, I'm gonna solve the rest now. Okay, this one more last step. Yes, done. Just learned this like a few days back, so I'm practicing it every day so that I can improve my skill and do it in a short time. I'm sure I can't do it in like 8 or 10 seconds like the experts do, but yeah, just getting there, I guess. So thank you for watching.